one more time, I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'll create something that maybe is the start of a leaf shape. Okay. And I'll fill it with some light, very, very light green. Okay. And then once again, I'll go over and I'll get the mesh tool, and you can see what I talked about before. It tries to take on what it thinks is the dimensional shape of the image in whatever way that is. And I can come in here and I can again, I'll add a vein down the middle of this leaf. Okay, so let's say there, and of course I'm not getting real sophisticated. I'll activate these anchor points, and then you can see I add a very light little shade right down the middle there. And again, I can come in, I can add some more mesh, maybe to add some darker shading in this area. Okay, and I assume that you can see here more or less how this works. I activate these anchor points, and I can add some additional color. So it works in a pretty simple manner, and it's quite beautiful and easy to do. One other point that I want to make is that you cannot add a stroke or a border onto a shape that has the gradient mesh, because it's no longer one solid shape. It's now all of these separate little sections. So if you knew you wanted to put a outline on this shape before I added the mesh, I would have copied that layer or sublayer, and one of them, the bottom one, I probably would put the mesh on, and the copy that's on top, I would have no fill but put the stroke. And to the mind's eye, it would look like it's one shape, when in fact it's a duplicate of the shape. One has the stroke and the other has the mesh filling. And you know, what's amazing about it is that is all there is to making this this thing work, and you can manipulate it and work it to your heart's content. And I just think it's an amazing tool to create such beautiful, sophisticated things quickly and easily.